Hi, my name is Dominique Raviart and I work for Nelson Hall. I wanted to share a few thoughts about the recent Capgemini Analyst Day. This year the topic was really about digital and cloud. And interestingly, now Capgemini is referring to digital and cloud as the new, which clearly is a reference to Accenture. And like Accenture, Capgemini has got growth ambitions in that space and is now expecting to reach 50% of revenues by 2020 from the new. So Capgemini had a few strong points about the digital and cloud, and let me start by cloud. So the company, whether you believe it or not, is expecting to have globally 30% of all applications on public cloud by 2020. Again, that's a bold statement. And that's really is driving the investment of Capgemini in that space. So rather than creating private clouds and focusing on the private cloud side of things, they're really more focused on the public cloud and focusing on helping migrating applications to the cloud. So big investments, creating migration factories in India, and hiring and reskilling as well. So that's on the cloud side of things. On the digital, again, Capgemini made the decision, unlike quite a number of competitors, to go into the digital consulting side of things and UX. So not staying on the technology side, but moving into closer to digital agencies and closer to what advertising firms are doing. Again, Accenture is going that path, but Capgemini is also investing and accelerating its investment in that space. Notably through a number of acquisitions and also the deployment of their applied innovation exchange centers. So namely centers where you can play with prototypes, ideation, so to speak. And so ideation, prototyping, feedbacking, iteration on all this work. And that's clearly complementing their ASE centers, which are more about reaching the clients, speak between divisions and units and reach a decision on major topics. So that's on one side. And the other side, clearly, they've got their UX units, they have Capgemini consulting units, they've got their former iGate and medical device unit with embedded software capabilities. And they also have Sogeti High-Tech. So they've got quite a bit of capabilities, from design to creation and technology. And what we've also done is acquired a couple of firms which I think are interesting. On the consulting side, Fahrenheit 212 was about last year, more about digital strategy and also operating models, and see how that's going to work. And a more recent acquisition is IDEAN, a Finnish/Californian firm, and that's more on the UX design firm side of things. So looking through products and understanding how users are going to use the products. And that's from software products, mobile apps, but also physical products, which is quite interesting. And again, for both Fahrenheit and IDEAN, we're talking high growth expectations, and IDEAN growing to 1,000 people by 2020 from 170 currently. So again, massive investment. Now that's quite impressive. Again, Capgemini is one of the few firms that is investing in that space quite so quickly. So we'll be monitoring how that's going. And certainly Capgemini has growth ambitions through acquisitions and expecting to make 5 to 10 acquisitions in that space per year, so to speak. So stay tuned. We'll be monitoring the progress of Capgemini and we'll be reporting on it. Thank you for listening, and be referred to our blogs currently.